What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man. Y'all know how we do it, baby. Hey, this ain't Sunday. This Monday. So we finna step outside, might catch us a floozy. But anyway, before we do all that, we gotta do this. Ooh, rolled them hands together like Birdman. But before we get into this money, man, I just want to say condolences to the families, man, in Buffalo that their families, lost some loved ones. Their loved ones didn't make it home yesterday due to senseless violence and racism. That's what we have to deal with here in America. So unfortunately, this guy was 18. Dylan Roof was 21. Kyle Rittenhouse was 18. It's a new crop, man. We used to think it was just old curmudgeons, but now it's a new crop of these guys, man, and that's just what we got to deal with. So just want to say condolences to the families, man. Not a lot of people are going to talk about that, you know what I'm saying? But I just want to, say condolences to those people because, your family members don't make it home. You just never know. In the supermarket, man, that's crazy. But anyway, we in crypto, man, so hopefully that stuff don't make its way into crypto. We all, trying to make this money. So let's do that, man. So I saw something interesting this morning. Saw my man Crypto Slow made a video. I was like, all right, hey, boy, Slow, man, let's see what we got. I thought he was going to talk about elephant money. So when he didn't talk about elephant money, I was like, whoa. Let me go check that. That peg. Boy, 57 cents. Oh, boy, we just went up. Boy, y'all seen that? We on the road to recovery. No, I'm just kidding. 15 cents, man. I don't know, bro. Oh, no. If Slow ain't talking about it, man, we in trouble, man. So, oh, no. Slow, come on, man. Need you one to get the thing back. Just get it right about the 83, 85 so I can sell. Just get it started about 80 something. You know what I'm saying? And we good. Anyway, but let's get to this real money, man. I'm through tripping on that. Don't talk about this. Somebody asked me yesterday. Well, a couple of people actually. You be thinking that a lot of people hear about this stuff and they know about this stuff, but a lot of people really don't, man. So they was asking me, what should they do? Should they get in drip or should they get in the piggy bank? I'm like, man, hey, man, get in both of them. But, if you can't, you ain't got a lot to work with. That's a tough one. But I would have to say the piggy bank right now. You know what I'm saying? But you definitely need to get a position in drip because Forex Shark got some big things coming up. I think he got a big announcement tomorrow, as a matter of fact. That's what he said in my telegram yesterday. He got a big announcement on Tuesday and tomorrow Tuesday. So he's going to start working on that drip. Boy, hey, I don't know what to tell you. But anyway. Then they start asking me how they do, how you get in. I'm like, bro, y'all still don't know how to provide liquidity, bro. Like, all right, man. So I'm going to show you from start to finish what you need to do. First of all, you need to come to the piggy bank. Link in the description, right? The new UI. Don't go to the old UI. Come to the new UI. Link in the description, right? So now, you can click this button, but sometimes it won't load. Sometimes it take a long time to load or whatever. The easiest way to do it is just come to my video. Copy this link. This is the Animal Farm link. Just copy that link, right? Copy that link and then go to Pancake Swap. So when you come to Pancake Swap, you come right here. Come to Cake. Click that. Then you paste in that address, right? You're going to paste it in. Then it's going to pop up. I already got it, so it's probably going to do it. But it'll say Animal Farm, AFP, then import. You got to click a box and then click import, right? So once you click import, it's gonna be on your list. See right here, I already got it. Added by user. Boom. Animal Farm. Now you got it. So you can see it. Now, what you need to do is buy you some Animal Farm. So with your BUSD or your BNB. Let's say I got this right, I got 3,600. So what you want now, I'm just assuming you want to do all of it. Now, whatever you want to do, you can do 100, you can do all of it, whatever you got, but I'm gonna make this easy. So let's say I want to do this whole 3,600. Then you got to do it exactly, but what you want to do is half that. Now, I already got some, so it'll be a different thing. I'm imagining you got 0. You just started. So what you would want to do is do like, to be safe, I would do like 15, probably 1,700. I would do 1,700. And then I would buy the animal farm. That would give me 7.9 Animal Farm, right? Then you would go, once that clear, you would go to liquidity right here. Bam. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do it because I want to add to my position. So let me do my little thing right here. Boom, let's go get this liquidity, baby. Let's add this liquidity. And this is how you do it for any platform, even if you're farming or anything. This is how you do it, right? So now, what you want to do is add liquidity. Got to find your pairs. BUSD, AFP, just like that. And you can play around with it. All I do is just go with the AFP. And if I got enough BUSD, that's close enough for me. That's what we doing. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it, baby. And that's very simple. See how simple that is? You're just adding liquidity. That's all you're doing. Give me the finger. Give me the finger. There we go. There we go. It has been added. You'll see it right here. LP tokens in your wallet. There it is. It's been added. Then you just come back over to the animal farm. Refresh the page. Let's see if it's reading. It should be reading right here when it's finished. When it's reading my wallet. Bam, there it is. 149. So all you do is just come here. I'm gonna do 147. Then let me see. Now for me, I like to just do around 100%. I don't like to do nothing less than 100%. Let me see. Sometimes I forget to do it at all. I just go ahead and hit that buy piglet. I ain't lying, man. But you know, it's hard to get it exact. That good enough. Buy piglets. Bam. And it's easy as that. You acknowledge and it's gonna go through. Give me that finger. Come on. Yeah, give me that finger. Bam, there we go. Let's go down here. I had 6. Now I got 7. There we go. That's my latest one. I already got 3 cents. But let me get that. Let me get up. Oh, man, I can't get my money. That's how y'all be doing. When y'all get, man, look at some of them buys and sales on Pig. Well, folks be getting like 1.2 cents. Like, those, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, man? But anyway, that's how you do it, man. And so, you can see now, I did, I'm about to say I refreshed. I compounded yesterday. Remember, I had 1.6 million right here. I had 2.6 million. Like, you'll see these numbers go up. Because I did it like at 12:45 or something. So I can't do nothing right now. Let me see. Yeah, see, my 24 hours ain't up. So I can't even really do nothing. I just got to wait. So what I think I'm going to do, I think I'm not going to do nothing today. And I'm going to I'm going to do it like tomorrow by 9 o'clock. So I can start doing it on camera. You know what I'm saying? Instead of doing it at random time. You know how like when I say a solo sport, baby, you just be messing around. You be, man, bump that. I'm finna do it now. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm talking about. It's my money. But anyway, so all I'm doing, man, I'm trying to just stack these up. Everybody got the same opportunity. You can't come over here and hit sell, and somebody else doing compound, and then a month from now, they getting all their money while you still getting a little bit of money, and you mad? Bruh, compounding the way to go. You know what I'm saying? You can listen to who you want to listen to. I'm trying to tell you how to get this money. You understand what I'm saying? Drip's still the best thing in crypto. It's still the best paying thing in crypto. Anybody tell you otherwise, what do you got better? What are you making passive income on that's better than Drip? They can't tell you. They not. They ain't nothing better. Still, a year later. Well, actually, a year and a month. We almost a year and a month in. Oh, and while we talking about that, boy, this May 16th, we are officially mid-May. Richard Hart, you on the clock, baby. You on the clock. Pulse chain, where you at now? Hey, Piggybank done launched. And we got a big announcement by Drip. He working up, he coming up something with the dog. You see what we doing with these pigs. I can't wait to see what he doing with them dogs, boy. We making money on the Drip Garden, the Piggy Bank, the pig pen. Like, what you want, man? We are in a bear market, bro. A bear market. Do not forget. We are doing this in a bear market. Forex Shark launched his thing in a bear market. Bumped the bear market. He has so much confidence in his skills and his platform. He launched I'm talking about in the middle, in the heat, in the epicenter, when everything was going down. And we making money. You understand what I'm saying? And we making money, baby. This thing is paying out like crazy. I can't even believe it. Especially when you compound. I think he always putting, let me tell you something about his contracts, bro. He always puts little incentives for compounding. Always. Whether it's the garden or the piggy bank or whatever it is, that compound button is there for a reason. He always putting it just like it accelerates your payment. It does, bro. Like this ain't even 24 hours. Cause when you compound, you get paid more. You know what I'm saying? You get your percentage and you know what I'm saying? This go up. Your piglets go up, which produces your truffles. You see what I'm saying? It's hard to explain. Even when you working with small amounts of money. If you was making $30 a day, then you start making $60, then you start making $90. You got to realize, you got to understand what you put in the game and what you're getting out. You got to lower your expectations. You only put in $5, then you can't expect to be pulling out $20 a day. That doesn't make no sense. You know what I'm saying? You see, I just went with the BUSD I had. I just put it back in here. You got to double whammy that thing, bro. You got to compound, add new capital, double whammy. That's how you got to do it. You can't complain about what somebody else doing if you ain't doing it. I know it's hard in a bear market. Don't nobody want to do it. Everybody just want to withdraw. That's fine. Solo sport, baby. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I believe in the ecosystem. Drip is the best ecosystem in crypto, period, bar none, anything out there. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to see how it work out, baby. But anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.